He trusted him. Just for a moment, he said, "Watch him. I'll be back." The dog didn't understand the words, but he understood the feeling. Danger had entered quietly. A snake, slowly moving toward the baby. There was no time to think, and in that moment, he chose to fight. And then, it was over. The snake lay still. The baby, safe. The dog, injured, breathing heavily. But he didn't stop there. With what little strength he had left, he dragged the danger away. When the door finally opened, everything changed. The man saw the blood on the floor, on the dog. And in that moment, he didn't see the truth. He saw fear. He saw danger. He pushed the dog away. The dog didn't understand. He didn't fight back. Inside the house, the baby was still sleeping, peaceful, untouched, and outside, the truth lay on the ground. The man froze, his breath stopped, his heart dropped. He realized what really happened, but it was too late.
Come on, boy! I can't find him anywhere! Please come back!
He finally found him, the one who protected his child. The one who asked for nothing, now lying still, gone. The man broke down, holding him, crying. He protected what mattered most, but no one protected him.